Georgia's COVID-19 vaccination efforts, the state administering more than 1.6 million doses so far. And Governor Kemp says the state could expand eligibility to teachers and other school staff members within 2 weeks here. Health officials in DeKalb County are preparing by opening a more accessible vaccine site. Brittany Kleinpeter live in Doraville inside that site with the details. Today is day one here, Brittany?
That's correct. People started coming into this site, which is outside of the Doraville MARTA station, about 9 a.m. this morning. Some folks getting their first doses, some getting their second, but they are getting in and out of here getting their vaccinations. Now, this site is replacing the current Board of Health site that was just outside of the BrandsMart USA, that location there. The DeKalb County Health Department says it expects to see about 450 people a day at this location. However, they did say they had to reschedule some appointments for today because winter storms earlier this week have impacted vaccine shipping hubs in other portions of the country. As of yesterday afternoon in DeKalb County, 94,000 residents have been vaccinated so far. 63,000 have gotten their first dose and almost 31,000 have gotten their second. Health officials say they believe once supply allows for it, the new MARTA location will continue to increase those numbers. The county also tells us that they plan to open another MARTA location at the Indian Creek's MARTA station. As far as when that is going to open, they said that all is left up to the supply. To book appointments at this location, you can head to the Board of Health's website. Sheba?
Brittany, thank you for the update there.